Hi. Welcome to your math class this year. I don't know about you guys, but I am not ready for school to start. And I just got back from the state fair. I have my Minnesota shirt on because, that's like what you do. And I'm sitting on my front porch, having a little coffee in my grandma's mug, going through posters that I'm going to take to school tomorrow, and having a little last minute stuff to put together. I'd like to introduce you to my son. Patrick, do you want to say hi? You say hi?
Hi.
That you can't
might
see it
not.
there.
Hi. Hi. I might be at the class sometimes.
Yeah, and what grade are you in?
Fifth.
Fifth grade.
Toast.
He's having a little toast. We didn't eat very healthy at the state fair. So I'm just here to introduce a little idea I have this year to help our classes go a little faster. I'm going to post videos online for students and parents. The goal is to do every single lesson in advance of the day that we talk about it in class. Not that everybody has to do the lesson in advance, but because of the fact that I think it's important, and I gotta say, kids have their face in the phone anyway. So this is a little note to both parents and students, okay? So parents, this is also for you. And I need to have a little, kids, if you want to leave, you can leave. Or you can watch it. I'll be straight, right? I have had many parents over the years. I have been a teacher and a tutor longer than I like to admit. And a lot of people over the years have said to me, well, I can't do the math. Now, the way I invoke it now makes it seem like it's a secret. But I've also had parents in front of their students, in front of their children, and say, I never understood this. I don't get this in a conference, right? Well, I can't help so-and-so after school because I don't get it. I'm here to tell you, I want these videos for two major reasons for you, parents, okay? Guardians, grandmas, mom and dads, grandpas, friends of family, a grown person who can help a young, aunts and uncles, thank you, Patrick, who can help someone with math. Number one, these are here also for you. I don't know if you've got a 10-minute lunch break or 10 minutes on your lunch break and you want to be able to help your child after school with whatever lesson they have, or instead of the what did you learn today, you can actually kind of be like, oh, here's the lesson. But also, I implore you as a teacher, as a parent, we as people take this in, right? We recognize, I don't know, you can see on my son, he's over there. Ooh. You might think that we look similar, right? And young children start to recognize from a very young age, there he is, that you take on traits from your family, right? You can see it. It's very visual. You can see it that, oh, I've got dad's nose. Oh, I've got the same earlobes as grandma, right? You realize this. Now, whether it's true or not, people also take in their self-identity in being competent with things. So if your child sees you attempting to relearn or learn for the first time something maybe you were not confident on before, if you can find a way to gird yourself to stop saying I never could, I didn't get, right, and use the present with your child, I can't say how much positive feedback that will invoke in their life, because they will see, hold up, you know what, my mom always said she didn't usually get this, but now she knows my lesson before I get home from school. Or now she'll say, are you still learning about linear functions? Because I was thinking blah, blah, blah. Or you can just admit, like, I didn't get this very well the first time around, and I'm so proud of you for trying through something that I couldn't get. It's so empowering to young people. So there's no way I can teach your child without you teaching your child, because you really, parents, guardians, people in the student's life closer to them than I am, you are their ultimate teacher. I am just there to give them a little bit of content. So toward that end, I look forward to an awesome school year. I hope if you're in Minnesota, you can get to the state fair. It's only the first weekend. It was kind of crowded today. Didn't rain. Maybe you'll see this on my wall. This is important. Teaching a child not to step on a caterpillar is as valuable to the child as it is to the caterpillar.
Hey, Mom.
True story.
This is mine. The Hogwarts dress is mine.
Apparently, I'm not allowed to take the Hogwarts poster. Anyway,
Well, I mean, you can
see you at school. You gonna let me take it?
Yeah.
Patrick likes the floss.